Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to solve your problems on Pinterest. To know how to solve Pinterest something went wrong, you should just go to settings. Then you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to Pinterest and you will enter here. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.